What's happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com with some great information for you on a brand that we are putting on sale until the end of night on Monday. We're going to go all the way through Cyber Monday. That brand is DC Audio. But anyway, in this video, we're going to get into a sale on the DC Audio brand. But before that, my name is Jonathan Price, owner and operator of downforsoundshop.com and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first. All right, let's get into this. So DC Audio, everybody I think knows about DC Audio already. Very reputable brand, located in Reno, Nevada. They have great amplifiers, great subs. They build a ton of their subs in-house up there in Reno. Do an awesome job. We're offering big discounts on DC Audio for the Black Friday and Cyber Monday event. So we're going to go over just a few examples. I think I have 4 examples here. I got an amp here and a subwoofer here. But I'm going to go over 2 of each. So, and show some extreme cases in either side of the spectrum. So first of all, we got the DC Audio 5K here. One of the most popular items from DC Audio, which is their 5K. Got dual powers and grounds. It's made its way in car audio. Everybody loves the DC Audio 5K and all the other DC Audio amps as well. Made in Korea. They are known to be a tank. The DC Audio 5K retails usually for $2,064. It's on sale right now for $1,402. So just over $1,400 for the DC Audio 5K. I know a lot of people are going to be jumping on that. Everybody loves the DC Audio brand, so you can save a lot of money on that. We have one DC Pitbull 20K left in stock. Only a single one of them. It retails for $38.50. And it's on sale for $29.74. So that's on the extreme side. If you want to get their biggest, baddest amp, the DC 20K, it's almost $1,000 off of retail. So be sure to check that out on the website. Moving over to the subwoofers. Here we have one of their more budget-friendly subwoofers, which is the Level 2 DC Audio 10. They make... I don't know if they, actually I don't think they make these in-house. I think they can, but most of the time they have them mass made overseas to keep up with the demand on these. I think it's usually the level 3s and up, but they're still a very nice sub. This level 2, they're 600 watts RMS, and usually the retail on these are $330, but on the sale price, just over $200. $203 for the DC Audio Level 210. They also come in 12s as well. So if you want a nice budget-friendly, very nice subwoofer here, be sure to check out the Level 1s and Level 2s from DC Audio. Big savings on those. Very, very popular subwoofers. If you want something more on the more extreme side, the Level 6s are going to be their 4,500 watt RMS subwoofers. So these are big, massive subwoofers, probably over 100 pounds a piece. For example, the 18 is normally $1,815 retail, and they're on sale for $1,138. So again, big savings from DC Audio on their equipment that they have. Again, they have subwoofers, they have amplifiers, both monoblocks, 4 channels, and they also have speakers. We got their Pro Audios in stock and their tweeters. So be sure to check out the DC Audio sales ending on Cyber Monday night at midnight, but this will give you time to jump in there and grab some before that. And don't forget, if you don't have the money for this right now, you can take advantage of some of our same as cash financing options by clicking on the link in the description below, or going to downforsoundshop.com and clicking on the financing tab. So be sure to check that out. Appreciate you joining me in this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Later. Yo, what's up, guys? If you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels, from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat is JPD4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.